Hi, I'm Lydia Whitlock and I'm here with the A&T Cooperative Extension and I'm going to interview one of my fellow interns. What is your name and what school are you from?
My name is Winstead and I go to North Carolina A&T State University.
What is your major and what profession do you aspire to enter?
I'm an animal science major and I aspire to go to University of Florida's vet school with a DMV specialized in Eastern medicine.
In which county will you be posted this summer for Cooperative Extension?
I'll be posted in Wilson County.
What are you looking forward to the most this summer?
I'm looking forward to acquiring more technical skills and having a more in-depth knowledge of agribusiness.
And what are you looking to take away from your Cooperative Extension experience?
I'm looking forward to having a lasting impact on my community and having a wider view of how the world works. What school are you from?
I go to UNC-Greensboro.
What is your major and what profession do you aspire to be?
I am a double major in Environment and Sustainability in Spanish, and I'm minoring in Biology. And in the future, I hope to be a food access coordinator or a similar career that responds to the issue of food insecurity.
Okay. And in which county will you be posted in this summer?
I'll be in Mecklenburg County.
Okay. And what are you looking forward to this summer?
I'm mostly looking forward to working one-on-one with farmers and community members and learning how they do their career in urban agriculture specifically.
Mm-hmm. And in the end, what do you hope to take away from your Cooperative Extension experience?
I hope to sharpen my public speaking skills and also be able to build lasting connections with other community members that share the same passions as me.